This is set up Arduino 1 as SPI Master 1 and Arduino 2 as SPI Master 2. They both are communicating with SD card using SPI. Pressing the button 1 will increment the value and store it in SD card. Pressing the button 2 will reset it. The only button connected to Arduino 2 will read the count from the SD card and just print it. Let us see this in action. Pressing reset button on both Arduinos. Now, every time the button 1 is pressed, the count is incremented and returned to SD card. We can also reset the count by pressing button 2. Let us increase it again. By pressing the single button connected to SPI Master 2, we read the count from SD card and print it on serial monitor.